after days of not being at the office, I have to arrange my things. So, then this is what the old flowers. And my kids. I'm not going with that. Up here. It's actually my eggs for breakfast. My flower arrangement. Oh, I love this flower. Decorated. Oh, these are nice flowers. Wow. These are nice flowers. These are good looking flowers. This is my other lunchbox. Sitting. I just baked this one last week, so this is my breakfast, my snack. I'm not going to show the lunch because it doesn't look good. Yeah, this one. The lunchbox was something like this. Thing of my laptop. This is what I do every morning. I don't know. Is this book here? I've been wanting to do a book one recipe. I tried it, but still going to. This is my daily plan now on what I'm going to do, like Monday to Sunday. This is my notebook again, planner. This is a book I'm currently reading on agriculture. This is my favorite book. Come look at it. Like, it's a Namibian cookbook. I want to cook some recipe from here. But, okay, I've only tried one recipe, which is some years ago. I only tried this one because it's easy and it looked nice for me, appetizing. And one with couscous. I want to try make this bread. Yeah, that's all. I don't know why this picture in my face. Okay.